In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy food with Uber Cash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Buying food with Uber Cash is extremely simple. All that you need is the latest version of the Uber Eats mobile app, and you will be able to place an order on any place that you see here. So regardless of the category, regardless if you want pizza, Chinese, grocery, sushi, whatever, you will be able to redeem your Uber Cash. So first, I recommend that you go over to your account page and then tap on Wallet. As you can see on the top of the screen, the first thing that you will find are your Uber credits, also known as your Uber Cash. So if needed, make sure that you add enough cash. You can redeem a gift card or tap on credits here and then add funds. It is extremely simple to do. You will be able to specify the amount and then choose from any of the available payment methods. You will be able to use primarily a bank account, Venmo, credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay if you are on an iOS device, and then something like CVS Pharmacy. Of course, this might differ from location, but regardless, this is all you have to do. And like I mentioned, you can also redeem a gift card if you have a PIN or gift code. So once you have your wallet loaded up with Uber Cash, it's as simple as proceeding to checkout. So open any restaurant, any store, and add items to your cart. Once you have everything that you would like to order added to your cart or basket, just go ahead and continue. The first thing that you will see upon reaching checkout is going to be Uber Cash. So right here, as you can see, I can choose Uber Cash. Now, of course, I actually don't have any Uber Cash loaded into my account, but if you did, you would be able to use it here. If you don't see that option, just proceed to checkout once more. Once you are on this window and under the order summary, you should be able to find it here. As you can see, there is a toggle next to Uber Cash, and as long as this is toggled on, you will be able to use the Uber Cash. Even if you don't see this toggle, usually it is going to be automatically used as long as your wallet is loaded up, so you don't have to worry too much. But you can double check by doing this, and then if you don't have enough Uber Cash to pay for the entirety of this order, you will be able to mix Uber Cash and a secondary payment method to finish paying for it. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy food with Uber Cash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.